Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Power Automate open and a flow to modify. Start now. Add a switch control and pick the field you want to evaluate. This decides branches. Once done, set the comparison type to exact match or expression. Make sure the value source is correct. You need distinct case labels next. Name the default case to catch unmatched values. This first step quickly creates the branching skeleton, so you can test basic behavior before adding actions. Now you configure each case and attach the actions that run when a match occurs. For each case, add the specific actions, call an HTTP, update an item, or start an approval, and use outputs from prior steps so the flow stays dynamic. If you need similar actions, duplicate and tweak them. It saves time. Make sure to add a default case for unexpected inputs and test cases with sample data so you can see how each branch executes. Finish by testing the flow end to end, trigger it with real or sample inputs, and review the run history. You should inspect the switch input and each case output to confirm which branch ran and why. If a case never matches, check for whitespace, casing differences, or type mismatches, string versus integer, and correct the expression. One key troubleshooting tip. Add a compose that logs the evaluated value so you can quickly spot formatting or parsing problems during debugging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.